Meditation is intended for use when you are in a safe and comfortable place, and not for use when driving or operating machinery. Let's start by getting into a comfortable position, lying down in your bed, with your arms resting by your sides. Take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Inhale again, and this time, as you exhale, feel your body begin to relax. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, visualize a peaceful scene in your mind's eye. This could be a calm beach, a serene forest, or any other peaceful location that makes you feel calm and relaxed. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this scene, imagining every detail as vividly as possible. As you continue to visualize this scene, begin to focus on your body. Starting from the top of your head, bring your awareness to each part of your body, and consciously relax it. Relax your forehead and your eyes. Next, relax your cheeks and your jaw. Then your neck. And now your shoulders. Feel the tension from your arms being released, and now relax your hands. And then relax your hips, and now your legs. And then your feet. Allow each part of your body to become heavy and sink into the bed as you release any tension or stress. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed, sinking deeper and deeper into a state of calm. Now, focus on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose, and out through your mouth. As you breathe in, imagine that you are inhaling peace and calm, and as you breathe out, imagine that you are releasing any stress or tension that you may be holding onto. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, letting go of any thoughts or worries that may be keeping you from falling asleep. Know that you are safe and protected, and that this is your time to rest and rejuvenate. As you drift off to sleep, remember that you can always return to this meditation whenever you need to relax and unwind. Sweet dreams.